Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Tennessee's UST data. So I wanted to start off with this blog post on Convenience Talk, and the reason is this post has all the UST databases and by state. So if we go down the page and we go to Tennessee, and we click on this link, we would end up on this site, and then you can see there's some reports that you can download. These are all in Excel format, and I downloaded this report, the facilities, and the owner's report. And let me show you what those look like. So this is the owner's report, and it's very simple. You have the owner name, and then I want to also point you towards the facility count. So these are the number of facilities that are associated with a specific owner. I did create a filter in here by going up here, and so I filtered by type. So these are all commercial, and then also they're all active. And so you see there's no contact information, there's none of that. So you would have to do a little bit of legwork on this one. And then when you get to the facility, then you have the facility name, and then you have the address. And then of course you have active, not active, and some of these other data points here. And then the other thing it has is the owner name. And so you have the owner name here, and then you have basically the detail related to that count of facilities here. You just have all the detail related to it. I have not downloaded the tank spreadsheet, but I'd be interested in seeing what's in that one too. And that's it for Tennessee. My name is Melanie, and thank you for watching this video.